Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will discuss degrees of adjectives. As for example, my dress is good. This is simple. Your dress is better than mine. In this sentence, you can see that there is a comparison between the two, your and mine. Better is comparative degree, and it is followed by then. Ram's dress is the best of all, and it is the superlative degree best. You have seen. Now, in sentence 1, the adjective good merely tells us that my dress has the quality of goodness without telling how much of this quality it has. In sentence 2, the adjective better tells us that your dress compared to mine has more of that quality of goodness. In sentence 3, the adjective best tells us that Ram's dress has the greatest amount of that quality of goodness. Thus, it is clear that an adjective undergoes a change of form to show comparison. The adjective good is said to be positive, better in comparative, and best is in superlative degree. Superlative degree generally has the definite article the. However, the superlative with most is sometimes used without any idea of comparison. In that sense, the speaker wants to indicate the possession of a quality in a very high degree. In such case, the is not used. It is the most unfortunate. He made a most eloquent speech. His style is most original. Now see, how can we form comparative and superlative degree? Most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one from the comparative by adding are and the superlative est. Are or est. As for example, deep, deeper, high, higher, hard, harder, kind, kinder, poor, poorer. When high, higher, highest, hard, harder, hardest, kind, kinder, kindest, poor, poorer, poorest. When the positive ends in E, only V and ST. ST. This is ST. ST are added. Able, abler, ablest, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, large, larger, largest, noble, nobler, noblest. When the positive ends in Y, preceded by a consonant. As you know, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonant. When it is preceded by a consonant, Y is changed into F before adding ER or EST. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Early, earlier, earliest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. When the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by ing, and est, short vowel, this consonant is doubled before ad. Big, Here you can say here is vowel before G. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Adjectives of more than two syllables from the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. The following adjective can take either er or est or more and most. Polite. You can see the list of the things, list of the words. Polite, simple, feeble, gentle, narrow, cruel, common, handsome, pleasant, stupid. He is the most cruel person. He is the querulous person. Irregular comparison in the case of some adjective, the comparative and superlative words are not formed from the positive. Good, well, better, best. Bad, evil, ill, worse, worst. Little, less, lesser, least, much, many, more, most. Late, later, latest. Old, older, oldest. Far, further, farthest. Now I think you are able to understand this exercise. Supply the correct form of the adjectives given in brackets. Use later or late. In the following, use older or elder. Use nearest or next. Thank you, students.